for a while. And I don't mean to break your style. Sometimes I wonder just how things happen this way. And I'm just reminiscing about that first month we would spend. You pick me up every morning, and I just get through with the love. I never thought that girl could love a man this much. And I am overwhelmed, baby. I just can't thank you enough.